I found probably the best 3D model AI generator. You can use it for free right now. This is Hunyuan 3D. It's hard to find it with Google for some reason, so use the link in the description. Or type 3d.hunyuan.tencent.com in the address bar. This website is in Chinese, so I used Google Translate in Chrome. Click Login. I don't use Chinese social networks, so I'll use email. After entering email address, click on Get Verification Code and enter it below. Then click on Application Experience to open the service. Now you have 20 free daily generations. If you create 3D models from text, you'll be able to get 80 free 3D models per day. Here are two options. Vincent 3D creates 3D models from your text, and Tushing 3D will generate model from image reference. I'll try to create some models from text first. It is better to define what you want to create and then add description of the details and style. I'll create some cartoonish frog. Here are 6 predefined texture styles. I'll select cartoon. Generation will take few minutes. As you can see here will be generated 4 images at once from one prompt. But this counts as one generation. All 4 variations are not bad. By clicking on some variation, you'll be able to see it from different sides and save it your device. Texture looks really good. There's no unclear spots of different colors or something like this, just little imperfections on the eyes. You can disable PBR and texture to see actual shape of the 3D model. Or click on albedo to see texture, but without PBR map. And here is normal map. You can download it in different formats. Plus, you can save GIF with transparent background or video of this model endlessly rotating. Okay, and I want to create 3D models of Santa Claus sitting on the ground. Texture style will be general this time, so I didn't specify that models should be cartoonish. But you should know that all the model created here will be at least little bit stylized, even if you try to create something realistic. First variation has obvious problem with feet. In general, when you create models from text, you'll probably see some imperfections in textures, and there may be errors in the models themselves. But since you get 4 variations each time, you can choose the best results. Nice! Let's create model from image with Tusheng 3D. I'll use single reference image this time. I want to prove you that the quality of the reference image is important. For example, I have this image. It's 193 by 326 pixels. I created smaller copy of this picture. It's 128 by 216 pixels. I'll create 3D model with this low quality picture. This is the result. Looks not really bad, but it could be better. Look at these unclear eyes. The bed in the right hand of the character is too angled and low poly. So for comparison, I'll use image with this character of higher quality to generate another 3D model. The original dimensions are 193 by 326 pixels, but I want to make it even bigger. I'll use Upscale tool in Recraft AI. I mentioned this service in my videos few times. It allows you to generate or edit images for free using free daily credits. After creating an account, you'll get into this default project. Open Insert menu. Then import image. You can import up to 3 images per day if you use free account. This is my picture. Use Crisp Upscale to make your image 4 times larger. This tool not only changes image size but makes it little bit smoother. My uploaded image had transparent background, but after upscaling it I see this white background, so I'll use Remove Background option. Okay, now I can save it to my device. I'll use upscaled image as a reference for 3D model generation to see the difference. Here's what I got. This model is obviously better. This time it doesn't look like low poly, and the texture is clearer. So the better reference image, the better the generated model. Another example of single image reference is side view of this red teddy bear. Not bad, but the result can be better if I'll use several reference pictures at once. So I'll switch to multiple images option. Here you can add images with front, rear, right and left view of your object or character. If you don't have images of all 4 sides, you can add only 2 or 3. As you can see, this time the model and texture are much better. The white shirt and tie or hood, for example, weren't visible on the side view image.